Welcome back to Pranalink, where we bring you the latest trends and hottest deals. Today, we have something exciting to share with you: the steps to shop from our website. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a loyal customer, this video will guide you through the process, making your shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. So, let's get started. Step 1. Visit our website. Open your favorite web browser and type in our website's URL. You can also find the link in the video description below. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with our visually stunning homepage, designed to provide you with a delightful shopping experience. Step 2. Browse our wide range of products. Whether you're looking for energy-related products or services, crystals, jewelry, or handmade unique products, we've got you covered. Our website offers an extensive selection of high-quality items from renowned brands. Use the intuitive search bar or explore our categories to find exactly what you need. Step 3. Read product descriptions and reviews. We understand the importance of making informed purchase decisions. That's why we provide detailed product descriptions and honest customer reviews. Take your time to read through the information and see what other shoppers have to say. We value transparency and want you to feel confident in your choices. Step 4. Add items to your cart. Found something you like? Great! Simply click the Add to Cart button next to the item. You can continue shopping and adding more items or proceed to checkout if you're ready to complete your purchase. Step 5. Review your cart. Once you're done shopping, it's time to review your cart. Double-check the items you've selected, their quantities, and prices. This step ensures that everything is exactly as you want it before proceeding to checkout. Step 6. Proceed to checkout. When you're satisfied with your cart, click on the Checkout button. Here, you'll provide your shipping information and review any applicable promotions or discounts. We prioritize security and privacy, so rest assured that your information is safe with us. Step 7. Place your order. Congratulations! You've reached the final step. By clicking Place Order, you confirm your purchase and eagerly await the arrival of your chosen items. Our dedicated team will handle the packaging and shipping with care, ensuring your products arrive in perfect condition. And that's it. You've successfully shopped from our website. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Remember, if you ever have any questions or need assistance, our friendly customer support team is just a click or call away. Happy shopping! Thank you for watching.